Do you believe you can lose weight without working out? If you've struggled with time, motivation, or just hate working out, keep watching. This is for you. The secret to burning fat without a single workout is real. And I've got the step-by-step plan to make it happen. In this video, I'm sharing how you're going to lose fat without ever stepping into a gym. Stay tuned. Like many of you, I was juggling my career and caring for my family, which made working out impossible. Time was always slipping away and I felt overwhelmed. But what if I told you that you can lose weight by changing just a few things in your diet? It's easier than you think. It's all about calorie control. I'm here to reveal the secrets that helped me shed those pounds without hitting the gym. Hit that like and subscribe button now if you're excited to learn how you can lose weight without workouts. And don't forget to check out Java Burn, the easiest way to give your metabolism a fat-burning boost. You can grab it through the link in the description below. Thanks for watching. Let's break it down into simple steps. First, your diet is the key to fat loss. Cut out refined sugar, dairy, and processed foods. Trust me, removing these three from your meals will make a huge difference. Not only will you lose weight, but your skin might even clear up. Next, think about portion control. A simple way to do this is meal prepping. Prepare meals in advance to avoid making unhealthy choices when you're tired or hungry. Snack wisely too. Choose high-protein, low-calorie options like rice cakes or apple with almond butter. Now let's talk about tracking calories. Using apps like MyFitnessPal will help you stay accountable. You need to know exactly how many calories you're consuming daily. Want to lose weight? Stay in a calorie deficit. Java Burn is a great addition to your morning coffee. It boosts your metabolism and helps burn fat faster. Don't miss out. Grab your pouch from the link below. That's how I lost weight without working out. If you're serious about getting results, start tracking your calories and make smarter food choices. For that extra fat-burning boost, don't forget to check out Java Burn. Click the link in the description to order now. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit subscribe and let me know your favorite healthy snack in the comments.